Brass body. Steel internal structure. Adjustable latch from 2 to 3, 8 to 2-3/4, 60 to 70 mm. Includes 4 brass key-to-like keys, KW1 keyway, rounded steel faceplate and strike, zinc alloy latch bolt. Detailed installation instructions included. Backed by an Basics 1-year limited. Fit all doors 1-3/8 to 1-3/4 in thickness. Lock body assembling hole 2 to 18, 54 mm, dia. Latch assembling hole 1, 25 mm, dia. Amazon Basics exterior doorknob with lock and deadbolt, coastal, oil rubbed bronze. Reliable performance. Perfect for any room in the house. The doorknob set offers smooth, efficient, secure operation and long-lasting performance. Durable construction. Featuring a brass body and steel internal structure, the set is built to last and offers easy functionality for the whole family. Top reviews from the United States. High quality. Beautiful, high quality, easy to install. Very happy and would buy again. Recommend this product.